Meet Sam. He's at the airport and he's running a bit late. He needs to fly to New York for a massive business meeting. But the poor guy is completely flustered and panicking about it. Sam looks down at his ticket and his passport, then looks up at the giant flight screen. He's completely lost and can't find gate 728 anywhere. Right, so Sam goes over to the information desk for help, but the lady behind the counter is being a complete job's worth. She completely refuses to help him just because he hasn't got his booking reference number ready. Eventually, the lady rolls her eyes, doesn't even look at his ticket, and just points aggressively to the right. She snaps, "Go to gate 827, hurry up." Sam takes off running flat out through the airport terminal. He's dragging his massive, heavy suitcase behind him and sweating absolute buckets. A bit like I am right now. Literally. Let's continue. He finally makes it to the gate just in time. The flight attendant quickly checks his ticket and scans his boarding pass, and Sam bursts into the plane. The doors slam shut behind him. The plane takes off into the clouds. Sam sits back in his seat, finally relaxing. He thinks, brilliant, I can get a proper night's sleep at the hotel soon. And he passes straight out. Hours later, Sam wakes up to the captain speaking over the voice speaker. "Welcome to our destination." Sam looks out of the window and freezes. There is a massive, jagged iceberg down in the water. It looks exactly like the one that sank the Titanic. This is definitely not a good sign. Sam walks off the plane expecting a big city. He's expecting New York, but he's definitely not in New York. He is standing right in the middle of the North Pole. Look at him. He's stuck in a sharp business suit and is literally below freezing out there. That rude lady sent him on a completely wrong flight. But Sam is just too exhausted to care. So he builds an igloo and goes to sleep in it. He'll sort this massive mess out tomorrow. Poor Sam. I hope you have a good night's sleep, Sam. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye-bye. Bye.